Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you something amazing. I want to show you the fastest way to install VLC player to your smart TV or Android TV. Yes, I said the fastest way. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and share the video to someone that you think it might be helpful for. So as I said, I want to show you the fastest way to install VLC player to your smart TV or Android TV. And this is by using a downloader code. I'm going to show you how. Just stick with me. Now, for you to use a downloader code on your smart TV or Android TV, the first thing you must have is a download application. And here is the application. This is a beautiful application. It works like a browser and like a Play Store in such a way that you can search for anything. Now, if you want to download music files, APKs, you can all search for them using downloader and also applications. If you don't download on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that helps you get downloaded to your smart TV or Android TV. So you install it, and once you do, you go ahead and launch it. It is a very easy to use platform, very easy to understand platform, and when you launch it, it's not going to look complicated. In fact, this is how it's going to look like. So this is how it looks like. So now, as I said, I'm going to show you the fastest way to install VLC player on your smart TV, and that is by using a code. So after installing download that, all you have to do is to come over to this box here and type in the code. Just follow me carefully because this code is very important. If you miss a digit, it's not going to work. So you're going to type in the code 92. Please follow attentively. You can write this down somewhere on a piece of paper and then try it on your smart TV or Android TV. So you type 921602. So how does this work? In Downloader, it has a function where if you type in the right code, all you have to do is click on search and it's going to go ahead and start downloading the or installing the application that you are searching for immediately. And we're just going to try that right now. So once you click on go, here's what is going to happen. It's going to come over here. Just give it a moment, a minute. Please, as I said, do not forget to subscribe to YouTube channel. It says redirecting. So where is it redirecting to? See, here's the application VLC Android. That's the application. So it's going to redirect straight away to installing the application straight away to our smart TV. And that is it, downloading straight away. As you can see, I didn't have to search for anything. I didn't have to put in anything. I just had to put in that code, and the application is going to be installed straight away to my smart TV or Android TV. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.